What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If my voice is low, it's because it's nighttime. But anyways, I picked something up today. It's a Model O wireless mouse. Now I will be doing a quick comparison to my Deathadder V3 wireless. So this is, as you can expect, this is going to be a lot more newer than this because this has been out for a while. Now, quick little backstory. I did open it, but I did not know it was already open because I picked this up from a famous YouTuber. I'm not gonna name drop or anything, but I picked this up from a well-known YouTuber in the tech space, and I got a couple of things from him, and this is one of them. I already have this, so I sold this to my friend for a very generous price. And when I first picked this up, I didn't open it or anything because I saw this. It was like this, and I was seeing the stickers and I was like, oh, this is sealed, cool. And my friend wanted to see it, and I was like, okay, let me get once I get back home, I'll like open it for you. And I saw the stickers were open. So when I opened it, I was greeted with this. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it's a custom painted battle stressed, I guess, mouse. I think it's pretty cool. It's kind of insane, just the detail. Like there's like little, like it looks like bullet holes, like puncture holes, and like scratches. Now I don't know if the YouTuber did this or he had someone else do this, but I thought it was pretty cool. I was like, to my surprise, I was like, what kind of art project is this? But it's pretty insane. Got the buttons as well, and the under as well. It's like a plague just came over this. The skates were still had the plastic on it. I took them off, but yeah, it works, as you can see. Pretty cool, right? I'll go over the specs in a minute, but this is a quick unboxing. So put this here. So here is the braided cable. This is the USB extender for the wireless dongle. 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity. Very fast. Came with this. Plug this in the back like this. Plug this in your computer. Ooh, I didn't even notice it was orange. That's kind of neat. And you put it on your computer, like on your desk like that. Or you could just plug it next to your computer. Depends how far your computer is. Came with a cute little sticker. A card like every other glorious product. A gel for moisture. It's pretty crazy I left that in there. And these were the plastic for the skates that I took off. And, oops. And a quick start guide. Yeah. Anyways, I want to go over the specs with you guys and put this in the box. And then I want to do a quick comparison. So they do have a wireless and a wired version of this. Same thing with the V3. I just checked that they do have a wired version of this for $70, $69.99 on Amazon. I can link that for you guys. But the wireless one is going to be $150. This one here ranges around $70 to $80. And I sold it to my friend for much lower. This is how it looks. The DPI, change the DPI with this button here in the middle. Scroll wheel. Ooh. Ooh, the clicks are much louder compared to the Model O. Holy shit. Wow, that's like a... This just sounds more just like more silent, more tactical, The side buttons are way smaller though. I don't know how I feel about that. I haven't used it yet. My friend wants me to use it for tonight for gaming, but I'm like, I don't know, because I have to download software and stuff to adjust the DPI, because I like to have it a specific way. The buttons on here are much more massive. Look at that, 9-day. He's not a professional like FPS player. He plays like he doesn't play games like competitive games like I do, like FPSs. So I feel like this is a perfect mouse for him. He's coming from a Asus mouse, I guess, the one that you can change out and fix and stuff, and it's much bigger. So this is kind of his like first lightweight wireless mouse. Yeah, it feels very similar. This is heavier. This is 69 grams, as you guys can see. This one is, let me go back. Oh god, why did I lose that? Okay, this one is 64. This one is 69, and I don't know if it's the paint, but you can definitely feel the difference. Anyways, I'd like to go over the specs with you guys between these two mice. So this is a glorious Banff sensor, or whatever that is, just their sensor. 19,000 DPI, 400 IPS. This new Deathadder came out last year. 30K optical sensor with a 750 IPS. Almost more than double, right? That's pretty amazing. And that is inches per second, I believe, for the IPS. I did swing this around a little bit. It does feel very smooth on my mouse pad, on my MKBHD mouse pad. It's not as glidey as I would like. Deathadder is much more glidey. This one is not that much. It's kind of heavier. Kind of feel it too. What else? This is the 2.4 gigahertz lag-free wireless with included adapter. This also has the same thing. Oh, I want to compare the skates as well. It has 4 separate ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has one big one and 2 at the top and one right here in the middle. You definitely notice a difference with that. Max battery life on the 71 hours. Not too shabby. But this one, 90 hours. This one has RGB. I can already tell. Oh, yeah, I forgot. It's probably the RGB that's giving it a little bit away, because this has no RGB. So if you're into RGB, this is probably more for you. So yeah, I measured the price, 70 to 80, 150, and the wired versions are cheaper. RGB lighting with 3 zones, so it's here, here, and the scroll wheel. I showed you guys. I'll show you guys once more. And then you can change the lightings. It has the 3 zones, 1, 2, 3. You can see through them in the holes. It has 8 effects and 16.8 million colors. Turn that off. The G-Skates Premium, that's what I talked about. And it's 128 millimeters long. This one is, let me check real quick. Damn, I can't see it, but let's compare. Let's put it side to side. So this one's 128 millimeters. Ooh, okay. So they're about the same length. Let me bring the camera down so you guys can see the height of it almost. Let's see. From the stand here. Put it at like that. Can't really see because of my privacy screen protector, but from, I can't really catch it on camera, but this has more of a hump in the middle. This is more low profile a little bit. Let's turn them around. Yeah, you guys can definitely see that. This one is very low profile. I would compare this more like to like the G Pro Superlight, how it like slopes down. This is more kind of elevated. Now we have this side. Very nice. I can see why this is so popular. It's light, it has decent specs at a really good price. I mean, you can't beat this. Wow, look at that. There's like a little slope here, and then it dives down, and then this is just equal, right? Really interesting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a lot of time with the mouse, but I had my knife ready and everything, but I guess I don't need it. Wow. Anyways, the custom paint job was a surprise, definitely. My friend was like, did he put it in a blender? I was like, I honestly don't know, but I think it's cool. I was like, I might just keep it for myself. No, but he already paid me, so I was just, you know, give it to him. It feels very solid. It grips onto the mouse pad like really nicely. I don't see it like, you know, if you let it go, it doesn't go anywhere. Like, you really got control over it. I'm a palm gripper, and it, for me, it's kind of super low because I'm so used to this elevated. Yeah, interesting. The clicks feel so nice though. I can't lie. Very tactile. So yeah, I went over the specs. This is just gonna have a better sensor. It's newer. It's more expensive. It's lighter with no RGB. 90 hours of battery life. 71. But you know, who's gonna tell the difference? You can both use them while you have it connected. But if you have a wireless mouse, you know, what's the point of doing that? So, you know, keep it charged. They're both connected to USB-C. That one's more deep inside. This one's right out in the open. And this is for medium to large hand sizes. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. I mean, this video is running about 13 minutes. I might cut it down a bit. But thank you guys for watching. I mean, if you're not like a serious competitive gamer, but you do like to play FPSs from time to time, for 70-80 bucks, not bad. I do recommend looking into the Keychron. Their new mouse just came out. I don't know if it just came out, but it has around 650 DPI or something like that, almost as much as this. But I think this is the only mouse that has like 750. You can correct me in the comments. With 700 inches per second, the sensor. This one's just gonna have a crazy sensor. But if you're playing games like my friend, you know, he's playing like RPGs and MMOs, you really won't tell a difference. You know what I mean? But I'll see if I use this a little bit in games, and I'll let you guys know in a follow-up video. If not, you know, sucks. But oh wait, oh, I do, it's super like there's nothing here at this end, and it's heavy at the top end. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's definitely like heavier on this end. Let me try this. I can kind of feel it here too, but it's less aggressive. It's light on this end right here. It's more heavy aggressive on this end. But yeah, this one definitely like tilts a bit. This one came with grips, this one didn't. What else? That's about it. I see why it was so popular, but it's kind of outdated now. If you guys like the honeycomb design, I'm not a huge fan. That's why I got this. But overall, first impressions, nice mouse, nice custom job on it. Feels good. My ring finger is kind of dragging a little bit. Here I have it like kind of lifted naturally. I notice my ring finger is kind of dragging on the pad. This one a little bit, but I have it room to elevate it. Here, not so much. See, I have it like dragging on the pad a little bit. And even if I lift it up and bring it down a little bit, I can feel it drag. If I do it here, I lift it up, bring it down a little bit, I'm still like above the pad. Super interesting. Low profile, a little more hump. Let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of people have this, so I have no doubt that people are gonna give their opinions in the comments. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for the subs, the likes, the comments. I appreciate all of you. Until the next one. Peace.